Have you noticed your home feels harder to manage lately? Maybe the closets seem deeper, the kitchen cabinets feel higher, and everyday items somehow end up playing hide and seek. It's a frustrating feeling, but the good news is, the right organization can make your home easier, safer, and more comfortable than ever, without losing its charm. Here's the surprising truth about decluttering. It's not about emptying your home. It's about freeing it. Start by focusing on the things you use every day and give them prime spots in your space. Once you've made room for your essentials, organizing the rest suddenly feels simpler. And once those must-have items are in place, the next step is to make them even easier to reach. What if you never had to bend or stretch for what you need again? Place frequently used items between waist and shoulder height, and suddenly cooking, cleaning, or even getting dressed feels effortless. Once your space is physically easier to move through, it's time to make it visually simple too. And that's where smart storage changes everything. Imagine if your storage was like a map you could read in seconds. Transparent bins, open shelving, and clearly labeled containers let you see everything at a glance. No more digging through mystery boxes. And when everything has a place, you'll feel instantly more in control. But organization isn't just about finding things. It's also about staying safe in your home. Did you know clutter can be a hidden safety hazard? Keep walkways clear, store heavy items low, and use slip-resistant mats where needed. By combining organization with safety, you create a home that feels both secure and welcoming. And once you've made your space safe, there's one last but very important step. Your home should make you smile every day. Keep your favorite books within reach, display photo albums where you can enjoy them, and organize hobby supplies so they're always ready when inspiration strikes. The best organized home isn't just neat. It's a place that supports your happiness. So, whether you're downsizing, decluttering, or just refreshing your space, remember, small changes create big comfort. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your home simple, safe, and full of life.